Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Telegram not showing contacts. So let's get started. So if your Telegram application is not showing any contacts and you want to fix that. So to fix that problem, what you have to do is first of all head over to your Telegram application, and after coming up to your Telegram application, what you can do is just simply tap and hold on your Telegram application, then tap on this eye icon which is app info. After tapping on that, now what you can do is just simply tap on permissions. After tapping on permissions, now you'll find an option which is contacts. So if you have not allowed your contacts, then what you can do is just simply allow it. And after allowing your contacts, most of the time you'll fix your problem. So by allowing this option, most of you guys might have fixed your problem. But if this does not fix your problem, then what you can do is just simply close your settings and then open up your Telegram application. After opening up your Telegram application, just tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on that, now you have to tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now inside your settings you will find an option which is privacy and security. Just tap on privacy and security, and inside your privacy and security you just have to scroll down, and here you will find an option which is sense contacts. So just turn this option on, and after turning this option on you can find your contacts. So just come back and then tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top left, then tap on contacts, and after tapping on contacts, here you can find all the contacts that you have saved in your contacts inside your device. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Telegram not showing contacts. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.